Some stations close for the night, but sometimes a train still arrives. Not on the schedule, not on the maps, and passengers who board it are never seen again. It was a rainy Friday night when Daniel missed his last train home. The station was nearly empty. Lights flickering, benches wet from the storm. As he prepared to leave, he heard the announcement, "Track 3, now boarding." But the board showed no departures, and yet headlights pierced through the rain. A train was pulling in, old, black, with carriages that looked decades out of time. The doors opened. No conductor, no passengers, only silence. Daniel hesitated, then stepped inside. The carriage was dim, lit by weak yellow bulbs. Seats covered in dust, windows fogged. And yet, he wasn't alone. At the far end sat people, silent, unmoving, faces pale, eyes hollow. They stared straight ahead, as if waiting for something. Daniel tried to speak, but no one answered. When he touched one man's shoulder, the figure crumbled into ash. The train began to move. Faster. Outside, there was no city, no countryside, only endless tunnels. A distorted announcement echoed. Next stop, nowhere. Daniel ran through the carriages, each one the same. Silent passengers, lifeless eyes. And in every reflection of the windows, he saw himself, older, gaunt, as if years had passed in seconds. At the final carriage, he found a door leading outside. Beyond it, only blackness, a void, and whispers, "Stay with us." Hands reached from the dark, pulling him back. He screamed, clinging to the frame. But the train roared, swallowing him into its endless ride. The next morning, the station staff found the platform empty. Only a wet umbrella remained. Some passengers say that on stormy nights, they hear an unscheduled announcement. And if you look down track 3, you might see the headlights of a train. But those who step aboard are never found again. They call it the train that never arrived, a journey with no destination. And if you ever miss your last ride home, be careful which train you choose.